Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to insert clip. As you can see, I have already placed one clip on my timeline. So if I move this cursor in the middle of this, so first we wanted to understand how we can go to starting of clip or end of clip. So for that you need to press up arrow, so it will take you to the starting of clip. If you press down arrow, it will take you to end of clip. Now we are at the end of this clip. If you select this file, right click and insert, it will insert just at the end of the first clip. Now I want to insert one more clip in between these two clips. So as I told, first we have to go to at the starting of the second clip. So how we can go? We have to use up arrow, then it is in the middle of, exactly in the middle of two clips. Then we can select this file and insert. Now we can see these three files are perfectly placed. We can do one more thing. Let's say I want to place one more clip here. Just keep selected this and drop here. As you can see, it has, or it is showing that this green rectangle. Just release. It will place exactly in between this clip. Okay. So we have learned how to insert clips in between. Now we are in the middle of the two clips. I wanted to go to at the start of all the clips. So we need to use home key. If I wanted to go to at the end of the clips, I need all the clips, then I need to press end. This is at end. So just remember up arrow, down arrow, home key, end key, and we can insert just at put your cursor, or we can manually go to here, but maybe there will be some issue as you can see. So it's a better use up arrow or down arrow. So it will be position the cursor exactly at the end or starting, and then we can select or insert. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.